Health and nutrition education. Health and nutrition are related to one another. If the child is getting good nutritional foods, that means his health is going to be good. He will be able to maintain his health because of the nutrition that is given to him. Health and nutrition education messages are transmitted using multiple approaches, including infusion into curriculum, extracurriculum activities, physical education and sports, and health counseling, etc. So, how to maintain your health and how to use your nutritional foods are all the time being conveyed to the students through different medias. The best media these days is the social media, on which the students are all the time active. And we can see so many messages which are related to health and nutritional food on the Facebook and also other social media. People even sometimes write the prescriptions on the Facebook, which should not be really a common practice, because the prescriptions should always come from those people who are expert in this and those people who have the responsibility to write prescriptions. Sometimes there are homeopathic advices given on the social media, and these can also be serving as messages for health and maintaining nutritional food in your diet. Also on TV, we come to know about so many health messages which are advertised all the time and are conveyed to the public in order to understand the value of health and how to use food with nutritional foods and elements in that. It is very common practice on the TV which tells so many people as a message not to smoke because it is not good for health. Such messages which are containing food materials such as talking about vegetables, and that is supposed to be also describing the nutritional values, are also so many times conveyed through television, because people are watching television very often, and young people can always get impressed and convinced by the messages which are being sent through the media and especially the social media. There are different approaches regarding education also. That is, that such messages are also infused in the school curriculum, extracurriculum activities. Also, not only in the syllabus and the textbooks are there messages related to health and nutrition of food, but also it is in the extracurricular activities that these things are emphasized. For example, all those clubs running in the school like debating club, drama club, sports club, gym club, all the people who are looking after these clubs are giving messages to the students to inform them that they should be drinking milk, they should be taking vitamin in their food, they should be eating vegetables, and they should be eating fruit in order to have the proper balanced diet and also nutrition in their foods. Also, in the physical education and sports, there are some institutions which provide food for the people who are engaged in the sports and games. Sometimes milk is provided for the whole team to drink milk as an extra nutrient for the students to have energy. Health and counseling messages. These counseling services are also sometimes provided in the school. If these things are not provided in the school should try to follow, and they should try that there should be some counseling service provided to the students so that they are able to look after their health and eat food which has proper nutrition in it. Also, the school notice boards can display images and diagrams and also some sort of messages which tell the students which food they should be taking. And to avoid junk food, there can be a campaign run in the school in which the students are convinced and counseled by the council members as well as the group of the people who are running the campaign that such foods which are not really having the proper nutrition or the proper nutritional value in their food should be stopped, and food which has Good nutrition should be taken by the students in order to keep their health safe. Such messages displayed on the notice boards will also help the students to learn a lot about health and nutrition education.